Yeah.
Hit it! Hey guys, what's going on? We're back at you for another vlog. So I'm actually kind of filming this part in reverse. We're actually getting ready to leave the shop for work today. As you know, you guys, this coronavirus, it has affected a lot of people. And if you watch any of the other videos, I'm working at the shop. It's still pretty slow. I'm still thankful to have a job and be considered an essential worker and be able to keep my job, but it's been a lot slower. The hours have been slow. And also I had to close my small business. So that means that our three main projects, which is this truck, which is going to get Monster Line, the twin supercharged Fox body build, and the A32 Nissan Maxima, all kind of had to be put on hold. So you're going to see a lot more vlogs. I'm still going to do tool reviews and stuff like that, and I enjoy filming those videos, but there's something about vlogs, picking up the camera, just having a little bit of fun that I like. So I brought you with me again in the shop. We're going to check out a Ducati motorcycle with Actionfaktory. Go hit him up. He's got some cool motovlog content, and then we're going to go for a ride in a very special Jetta. So stay tuned, you guys. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Thanks for watching. What's up, buddy? We got Actionfaktory. What does it say? Factory. Actionfaktory. Do you talk? Is your cousin the Stig? Do you guys like your women like this too? Alright guys, anyway, check this thing out. We got a Ducati. What year is it? 11? Doesn't know. I think he's from another planet. But look at this thing, guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's basically a Lamborghini with two wheels, right? Same idea. Ferrari with two wheels. Yeah, and he's even got the matching jacket. I'm pretty sure he was born in this thing. If you haven't seen Actionfaktory's videos, go check them out. Strike a pose. Go! Nothing? Okay. Anyway, you guys, this thing, like I said, we're just bringing you some vlog style content because in the absence of money, we have to kind of shut down our projects for a little bit. So I just wanted to show you this thing. Look at this. I'm going to flip this around. We're just going to get a few shots.
Not your deferbefullen.
Do not overfill.
What the hell? Get over here.
I?
What the hell did you do to your Jetta?
What do you mean? I
What?
lifted it.
Why?
Because off-road Jetta.
Jesse would be so disappointed.
Are you kidding me? He'd be so proud.
How did you lift it?
I used my Mark 6 Jetta suspension to lift it. There's Tacoma rear shocks in there. To have
Say
heavier
that again.
belts.
Say that again.
Tacoma rear shocks.
That doesn't make any sense.
Yes, it does.
Is there leaf springs?
No. Shock.
It used to be cool when it sat like super low like this, and now it just
Even
looks
cooler
silly.
now.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yes, it is. It has a whole off-road look to it. Are you kidding me?
Why does every Jetta smell like crayons?
Because it's a Mark IV thing. It's used the glue that was used to hold down the carpet and part of the insulation.
It smells like crayons in here.
Every Mark IV.
Okay, you get in here. Take me boosting.
Do some boost.
Do you sit on that?
Yes, every day.
This is so dumb. Why?
Because it puts a smile on my face, that's why.
You couldn't get any uglier. So much backfire. Whoa! Water! Can you hear this thing? Make it backfire! Crayons. Turbo crayons. Oh, it's lifted now, so I don't have to worry about potholes.
Yeah, you still are.
One more thing, we gotta do one more thing. Hit it! Alright guys, so thanks again for tuning into this little video. Like I said, something about vlogs, I just really like filming. So I hope you guys enjoyed that and be ready for more vlogs in the coming weeks as we deal with a way lower stream of income amidst this coronavirus. And I hope it picks up soon because I want to get back to the projects. If you don't want to miss any other tool related content, auto vlogs such as this, or any of the twin supercharged Fox Buddy build, working on the Mazda B2600i 4-wheel drive, and eventually the Nissan Maxima, stay tuned, subscribe, smash that like button down below, and hit the bell so you're notified every time we upload a video. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you next time.
Scribble gym, taking my pockets line till I get arthritis. Switch my heart is icy, walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Cool like hella cloudy, at a poison ivy. Went from like a strong to